Good morning, my dear students, and welcome back to class on English literature. In the previous class, we had seen that Bassanio and Graziano are ready to sacrifice everything to save the life of Antonio. So today we are going to see what is the response of Shylock towards all these things. Now Shylock, after listening to Bassanio and Graziano, tells like this: these be the Christian husbands. So this is the attitude of the Christian husbands. What is the attitude? They are ready to sacrifice their wife for their companion. I have a daughter. Would any of the stock of Barabbas had been a husband rather than a Christian? Here it tells very clearly that her daughter Jessica, he wants her to be married to any descendant from the stock of Barabbas rather than any Christian person. Now, what is the reference given to the word called Barabbas? Barabbas is a notorious criminal, and there was an option given to the people whether they need to have Barabbas or Jesus. The people opted for Barabbas, a notorious criminal, and Jesus was killed, and Jesus was crucified, and he was killed. So this is a reference given to Barabbas, and why it is used here is that Shylock wants Jessica to be married to any person from the breed of Barabbas rather than a Christian person. The reason is that Christian husbands can sacrifice their life, sacrifice their wife for the sake of their companions. He does not want to happen to her. He does not want it to happen to Jessica. So that's the reason it tells here he will be very happy even if Jessica is married to any breed of Barabbas rather than a Christian person. We trifle time, which means we are wasting time. I pray thee pursue sentence, which means go on with the sentence. Now Portia gives the verdict. A pound of that same merchant's flesh is thine, which means you are the owner of 1 pound of flesh from the body of Antonio. The court awards it, and the law doth give it. So according to the law, according to the court, you can have 1 pound of flesh from the body of Antonio. Shylock is very happy, and he tells, you are a most rightful judge. You are the most rightful judge. Portia, and you must cut this flesh from off his breast, means chest. The law allows it and the court awards it. So according to the law, according to the bond, you can cut 1 pound of flesh from his chest. Most learned judge, a sentence come prepare. So he's very happy, and he is again praising Portia that you are the most learned judge. So and asking Bassanio come and prepare, and telling Antonio to come and prepare himself so that Shylock can cut 1 pound of flesh. But now there is a twist that happens here. Tarry a little. Tarry means wait a little. There is something else. There is some problem. This bond, this agreement gives thee here no jot of blood. Now that means no drop of blood. Which means particular agreement does not give you any drop of blood. The words expressly are. Expressly means the words expressed are a pound of flesh. Take then thy bond, which means you can take the bond, that is, take thou thy pound of flesh, which means the bond means you can take 1 pound of flesh, but the problem is that in cutting it, while you cut 1 pound of flesh, if thou shed 1 drop of Christian blood, if you are shedding a single drop of Christian blood from the body of Antonio, your lands and your goods are by the laws of Venus confiscated unto the state of Venus. If you shed a drop of Christian blood, your lands and property will be confiscated, means will be taken away by the state according to the law. So this is a tips that happened in the play. The Portia tells Shylock very clearly, the bond gives only 1 pound of flesh, and there is no mention about blood. So you can take 1 pound of flesh, but you shall not shed a single drop of blood. If you shed a single drop of blood, your property, your goods will be taken, confiscated by the state according to the law of Venus. Now Graziano tells very clearly, O upright judge. Till now Graziano was very angry. Now Graziano will use the exact words that are used by Shylock to praise Portia. O upright judge, marked you a learned judge. Now Shylock asked a doubt and is asking Portia, Is that the law? Is it the law? What should I? So that's what you are going to learn today. So go through the video once again and try to understand. And if there is another doubt, you can ask me. Thank you and study well.